On the first day of Christmas, my bank account said to me, no overspending, find joy in frugality. Ho, 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 everyone. It's that merry time of the year. And so to kickstart our 12 Days of Christmas series, we're watching them pockets. Join me in discovering how to find joy in frugality in this Christmas.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, take a look at the 5 and 10.
Let's start by painting a picture. Twinkling lights, the scent of pine, the joy of giving. But guess what? The real magic isn't overspending. It's in savoring the moments without breaking the bank. My fellow Jamaicans, we know all too well how JPS out searching for their victims during this season. Don't make that January bill give you a heart attack, okay? We can still treat our family members with meaningful gifts without the hefty price tags. It's not about the cost, it's about the sentiments. Get crafty with DIY presents or opt for experiences that create memories, not debt. You can do homemade cookies or even a day trip. Come on, get creative. Traditions are the glue that binds us during the holidays. And guess what? They don't have to be pricey. Let's explore budget-friendly traditions that brings the family together. From movie nights to baking sessions, the best traditions are the ones filled with love and laughter, not receipts. Now, let's slay those overspending impulses. Create a budget, stick to it like glue, and watch those holiday expenses gracefully twirl within your financial means. Finally, let's unwrap the true gifts of the season. Spending quality time with loved ones, relishing laughter, and indulging in the simple joys that don't come with a price tag. You can always have competitive Christmas-themed games, backyard picnic, you name it. I know Christmas charades always get my family active. Some of them are sore losers, but at the end of the day, it's all love. The magic of Christmas isn't in the grand gesture, guys, but in the mindful moments we create. The food is always a major win, but if you do nothing else this Christmas, be sure to spend some quality time with the ones you love and make amazing memories. Those will last for a lifetime. Now, if you found this jolly advice helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on savoring life's moments without the financial stress. Wishing you all a holly, jolly, and budget-friendly holiday season. May your days be filled with joy, love, and mindful spending. Bye for now.